out there. That's about walk through it. It's bigger than a cobweb. Look at it. Oh, that's even visible in there. It's fat ass. That's not a cobweb. Spider web. Blockage, yeah, that's weird. I reckon it's lazy surveillance from some weird fucking stalker. Look at that. Yeah, these stalkers just shut a U-turn, walk straight past me then. I'm talking to the other neighbour 2 down, and they just shut a U-turn straight back. Hey, a bit like you, little one. Oh, what is it, y'all? You know, can't be watching this. Yeah, just just around the line, of course, not anything soft. See that? These stalkers just shut a U-turn. Oh, straight past me then on top of that. She's still thinking about me. I can't tell you lies. Just shut a U-turn straight back. Hey, a bit like you, little one. Yeah, I just walked through that thing that I filmed on the way out. I was talking to Kay down the road. That is not a that's not a cobweb. Yeah, I think it is. Anyhow, walk right into my face first into it. I'll look at it under the magnifying glass. Yeah, spiders don't. Yeah, they don't. No, not even if they're having a heavy silk month or something. They don't come out like that. Oh, inconsistent. You make a shitty web like that. Look how thick it is as well. Something else has laid that across my path. And I'm getting mega tingles on my index finger from it. Mega, it's my finger's vibrating from it. Big time. Where it's actually touching is vibrating. Pulsing actually. My finger's pulsing from it. My finger is pulsing with this thing. It's doing something. Finger's still pulsing. That's it there. My finger's gone numb. My index finger on my left hand. And that shit's now, it's still on my right arm. There it is. Seem to have other people here, I don't know. All but shadows behind it. And it's here on my left. Sure that, still yet. Yeah, it's stuck to my finger, my hand still. There's a bit of there. there's no spiders, but look at that. That's purely see when I've left. I'll constantly find things like put in my path that I would have to move, which is like lazy surveillance. You know, like for ages I didn't order the paper would get put here. I don't order the paper, never have. 20-cent coin, you know, to neighbour's kid tell me he did it, don't know why. Probably because he was controlled by some sort of a shapey mind control made to do it, I don't know. Yeah, it stings to see when I've left my address. There's this remote control magpie. You know, he's just sitting there, not being very bad like this. Probably like parakeets, I don't know. You know, he's acting very un-magpie-like up there. Well, he's doing the morning holidays. There's another one over there just sitting there, standing on the sailing. Just I don't know what all this racket's about. Sounds like, you know, this is just fucking shapey street theatre bullshit, really. You know, if I stand anywhere for fucking 1 minute, this shit, I'm gonna say, that thing has to go straight over the top every fucking time. It was nice peaceful out the front when I walked out to go next door to feed the cat. He still sounds synthetic. He's got the morning thing down pat. He's been listening to me. But see, monkeys usually hang together, right? They're like a family. It'd be like a young one, mum and dad, and they'll cruise around together until they get sick of the young one. Not getting its own food, and they start pecking it till it goes up by itself. It's quite sad to see. Maybe that's the stage they're at. Alright, maybe that's what's happened. And that's mum over there just keeping an eye. Quietly going, I'm a bit worried about him. Yeah, he hasn't quite got the coal right. He sounds like a synthesizer of some sort. He's very confused, young. Yeah, he's very special, young Michael Magpie. He does the morning. That's the morning song all day long. You know, they've been trying to help him, perhaps that's what it is. And they're like, nah, you gotta go. And then he's just be sitting there like, I don't understand life, why is this happening? Yeah, I don't understand. No one told me it was like this, why is everyone so mean? He's saying, mum and dad pushed me out, been trying to hang with this dude, he's called me remote control. Went to his backyard, I was telling him, help, I'm confused. And all he did was come out and point his bloody radiation device at me and so he said I was not real. Oh, and there goes mum. Really, they're both just remote watchers. Don't go changing on me.